merch that I'm gonna start selling. It's on the website right now. You guys can order it online. We also have these face masks for sale. We got these face masks in stock, but you can also go online and order these. Everything's on the link right now, on the link, or I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Go to I.detail.com. I'm gonna start having more merch, more different type of designs, so just keep an eye out, and appreciate the people that already bought those shirts. They'll start coming out in about a week or so. Just the COVID stuff is pretty much delaying the shirts, but yeah, appreciate the support, guys, and yeah, thank you.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution.
So we got a full interior detail. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum the seats, scrub the leather, steam clean everywhere, leather lotion, and go over the carpet with the carpet extractor. So we got this RT that we're gonna wash, clay, and do a one-step polish. We're gonna strip off all the oils, going ahead and clean the rims, back of the barrel, the inside liner. So the rims have been cleaned, washed. The body has been scrubbed. Now we're gonna go over it with a medium clay towel. We're gonna use the same soap that we used to scrub. It's the Adams Strip Wash. And foam blasters are for sale in stock. We also have the clay towels in stock. You can use these things up to 55 times depending on the texture of the vehicle. So I guess you could say the contamination. How's it feel? And since the clay towel basically is a clay, this is the sticky part. So medium grade. So this is what's picking up all the contamination. And just back and forth, throw soap, dunk it into the bucket full of soap, and you're good to go. Windshields. And then we're going over the plastics with Adams Interior Shine. It's a cleaner and a conditioner, 2-in-1. So once that polish is done, just going over it with a silica spray sealant, give it that hydrophobic effect. Spray on, spray off. Product does streak, so you gotta come back with a second towel. Check out the final results. And white's always more forgiving. So, but this thing is shining, glistening. I don't think the camera does it justice. No, no quema?
No.